Consumer cellular users sometimes encounter a frustrating problem. You can send texts and use data, but voice calls fail to connect. This issue often relates to voice over LTE, or VoLTE. The core problem is that while texting and internet data function normally, making or receiving phone calls becomes impossible. This creates a text-only connectivity state. VoLTE, or voice over LTE, is the modern technology that enables high-quality voice calls using the 4G LTE data network instead of traditional phone circuits. It provides clearer audio and faster call connections while allowing simultaneous data use. The issue occurs when VoLTE isn't properly activated on your device. Without VoLTE provisioning, your phone attempts to use the older 3G network for calls. However, Verizon completely shut down its 3G service nationwide in January 2022, making voice calls impossible while data services continue to work. The essential fix is ensuring your device has proper VoLTE provisioning activated on Consumer Cellular's Verizon-based network. This enables the high-quality voice services that modern phones require. To restore voice calling on Consumer Cellular, first ensure your phone is VoLTE compatible and running the latest software. Next, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Then reset your network settings to clear any configuration issues. Use the Consumer Cellular app's self-diagnosis tool to reset settings remotely. Check your APN settings to ensure they are set to VZ Winternet for Verizon MVNOs. If these steps don't work, contact Consumer Cellular support for a SIM swap or manual provisioning codes, typically resolved within 24 hours via live chat.